how's everybody doing? Welcome to this channel, Simplify Mobile Auto Repair. I'm doing engine performance diagnosis on this Nissan Murano. It's got a P0420, and pretty much that deals with the catalytic converter as far as it being not working efficiently. So I'm just got the following data pits: the heated oxygen sensor, Bank1 sensor 2, Bank 2 sensor 2, and Bank1 sensor 2. Also got the air fuel sensors for Bank1 sensor 1 and Bank1 sensor 1. Now, usually what I like to do, this is the rear O2, so we're just gonna graph it, and this is another one for Bank 2, and this is where the issue is. The rear O2 sensors should not be oscillating at all. They should roughly flatline between 650 and 750 millivolts. And right now, as you guys can see, it's oscillating like it's an upstream O2 sensor, and it shouldn't be doing that. And this is at idle. We are approximately at, let me see here, 600 RPMs. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pump the brakes, try to lean out the air fuel mixture and see if they respond. I'm just gonna be pressing the brakes. As you can see, they respond. I'm stepping on the brakes over here. And what this does, it creates a lean mixture. And as you can see, those O2 sensors drop in lean, which tells me that the O2 sensors are working. My first concern was, are they lying to me or are they actually working? And based on this, it tells me that they're working perfectly. I just let go of the brakes, and here it goes. It starts to oscillate, and the Bank1 sensor 2 is the worst, and that just tells me that the catalytic converters are pretty much shot. And as you guys can tell, Bank2 sensor 2, it's doing it as well. So this pretty much just lets me know that the cats are pretty much not working the way they're supposed to. So I'm gonna have to advise this customer. All right, you guys have a good one.